this is it. It's making gargling noises right now because she's a little toasty. It's leakless antifreeze. It's a really good truck. Never had any problems with it. Eats a little antifreeze, a little bit of oil.
Can we look under the hood?
I'm kind of nervous. She might explode.
What's this? Hmm?
That's antifreeze, bro.
I don't know if they can hear that.
Yeah, they can. It's got a 12 valve Cummins built P pump.
Wait, what? Huh?
I mean, I've been putting diesel in it, so it runs fine. So yeah, that's the pimp rig. I got Henry on the back. That's the horse with the mullet. It's kind of pimping. I just got a shell for it the other day, so that's cool. And then she's covered in flour because kind of had a little bit of a party last night with some friends and some random people I met in Walmart. Anyway, we started throwing flour all over my truck. Yeah, it was a good night. So yeah, that's where we're at. But we're probably gonna go wash these soon. I'll show you guys when we're done washing them. Anyway, I'm doing a lot of work with this soon. It's getting a lot of stuff done. Oh yeah, it's dirty. Hope it didn't go off my polish. No. I spent 13 hours polishing this truck one day, you know that? And that was only like a month and a half ago. I just beat the heck out of it, poor thing. I took it to a truck show. Anyway, it's got a lot of stuff it needs, but I got most of the stuff for it already.
But the body's pretty straight. I mean, it's.
Oh yeah, not a dent on it.
It'd be a good project truck.
Just this chrome's dented, and then there's 2 indents. 2. Like a rock hit it, and that's it.
But
anyway,
needs some work, but it'll be sweet by the time you're done with it.
oh yeah, I'm going with super wide tires, like 20.
It's already got wide tires. See that stance?
Yeah, she's tooted. I'm gonna get like 20 rims and like 22 tires. No,
Wait, what?
20-inch rims and 22-inch tires.
That's like this much tire.
That's 2 inches of tire. Technically, that's like that much tire. It's gonna be so cool.
Do like 33s.
Anyway, it's the race truck. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like. No. So yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go watch these and get back to you when we're done, I guess.
Your dash is like completely white. Don't spill any.
What are you talking about? I've never spilled. Let's see, it was very low. So
Put almost that whole thing in there.
gooey.